Yo guys, today we have a very short video. We are looking at this wireless charger or charging station. As you can see, we can have our phone here, which is facing towards us, which is nice, so we can actually see when messages come in and stuff. Just place it on there easily as that. So that's kind of cool. Wireless charger, everything is on here, whatever. It also has like this little rubbery foot, so your phone is secured there and doesn't fall over. On the top we got room for your smart watches or your Apple Watch depending, and down here you can charge up your headphones wirelessly, which is also great. So we got like 3 ways to charge up your devices depending what it is. Pretty straightforward on that part. So yeah, I think that's gonna be it, you guys. Take care. I will see you around in the next video. My name is Badger, and I will see you around. Bye bye.